Mr. Michael, Social Studies teacher. Click the link to learn how to use these topic summary videos. World History Topic 3.1 Early Civilizations in South Asia. The early civilizations of the Indus and Aryan civilizations in South Asia greatly shaped the region's history, geography, and cultural heritage. These civilizations were greatly influenced by the unique geography of the Indian subcontinent. They were limited in contact with other peoples because of the Hindu Kush and Himalayan mountains. Geography also played a crucial role in shaping the settlement patterns of ancient peoples on the Indian subcontinent. Fertile river valleys provided the ideal conditions for agriculture. As a result, settlements developed in these areas. This allowed for the growth and expansion of early civilizations who relied heavily on agriculture to support their populations. These geographical features allowed for unique cultural and social developments to occur. This resulted in the rise of two significant civilizations that have left a lasting impact on the region. The Indus civilization was one of the earliest urban civilizations in the world. It was located in what is now modern-day Pakistan. Archaeological evidence has provided clues about the rise and fall of this civilization, which was known for its well-planned cities. These cities were carefully planned and organized, which suggests the existence of a highly organized and centralized government. The cities were surrounded by a sophisticated system of canals, reservoirs, and sewers. This indicated a strong understanding of engineering and urban planning. However, the exact reasons behind the decline of the Indus civilization are still unknown. But one theory is that the Indus experienced a devastating drought. The Aryan civilization was a group of Indo-European nomads who migrated to the Indian subcontinent around 1500 BC. They brought with them a sophisticated and highly organized society. Their society was structured into a caste system with social groups based on occupation. The Aryans worshipped many gods. Indra was the chief deity and was revered as the god of war and the bringer of rain. This worship of Indra revealed the values and beliefs of the Aryan people, who saw Indra as a symbol of power and control over the forces of nature. The ancient Indian epics, such as the Mahabharata and the Ramayana, are rich in history and culture and reveal much about Aryan life. The story of the Pandavas in the Mahabharata is one such example. It provides insight into the battles between rival Aryan tribes. These stories highlight the importance of duty over personal desires and reveal the values and beliefs of Aryan society. Cattle were highly valued by both the Indus and Aryan civilizations. The importance of cattle in ancient South Asian cultures is evident in the use of cattle in religious rituals, as well as their representation in art and literature. This reveals the central role that cattle played in the economies, religions, and social structures of these civilizations. This tradition continues in modern India, where cattle are still regarded as sacred. The Indus and Aryan civilizations were shaped by the geography, religion, and social structures of the region. Their legacy can still be seen in the region's cultural and historical heritage, as well as in modern India's religious and cultural practices. The Hindu Kush and Himalayan mountains played a crucial role in limiting contact between the Indian subcontinent and other peoples. This allowed for unique cultural and social developments to occur. The importance of duty and respect for the natural world is revealed through the ancient Indian epics. This highlights the values and beliefs of the Aryan people. Archaeology and the rich cultural heritage of the region provide many clues into the past. These clues help us gain a deeper understanding of the early civilizations of South Asia and their lasting impact. Answer the following questions based on the information from this video. What geographical characteristic hindered communication between the Indian subcontinent and other regions? What is a factor indicating the presence of a well-established government in the Indus civilization? Why is Indra considered the supreme deity among the Aryans? What is the significance of the Pandavas' tale in relation to the historical context of the Aryans? What was the influence of location on the settlement patterns of early peoples in India? What might be a contributing factor behind the fall of the Indus civilization as suggested by archaeological evidence? What is the connection between cows, the Indus civilization, the Aryans, and contemporary India? What was the social structure of the Aryan community? What is a principle displayed in the Indian epic narratives? Thanks for watching. Good luck on your assessment.